to be doing a look using the Star Wars Mandalorian palette. This look is going to be a monochromatic look. I am shooting for an epic monochromatic look, so we'll see. I am going to prime my eyelids with this P. Louise base in Rumor. I really love the P. Louise bases. I do have the Vault from like 2 years ago, so I absolutely love colors, and the pigmentation of the bases alone is phenomenal. Now I'm going to go into the palette and I am going to use shade Is the Way. It is actually the only matte gray shade in this palette, which is odd, but looking at it, it really is. So I'm going to go use a light hand because this is very, very pigmented. It is a trust the process kind of look because I am going to be cutting my crease. So I am slowly building that dark gray up and just blending it out. I am now going to go in and cut this crease and I'll be right back. Okay, I did cut my crease and I went in with this shade. Now I'm going to start building up the color on the outer parts of my eyes. And like I said, this is a trust the process look. So now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and I want to use a black eyeliner. Liner is on and I did it free-handed today, you guys. I did not use my stencils, which I'm very, very excited about, and I think it actually turned out pretty good. So I am going to tightline, and I've been loving using this pomade to tightline. I just think it looks so beautiful. It stays all day and it's just very pigmented and it's easier to apply for me. For eyelashes, I'm going in with a brand that is different from Ioni. I do want to give these a try. These are the LA Colors. For mascara, this is the one that I'm going for. Primer, going in with my Holy Grail primer. It's the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. As you can tell, I love this stuff. Foundation, I am going to use this L'Oreal True Match Nude. This does not come with a pump. This does not come with a pump. I did buy pumps off of Amazon to put on my foundations that doesn't come with a pump. Very affordable. You can get these in like a 4-pack for less than $10, so they're very affordable. So laying this foundation down and then I will blend. I do like to let my foundation sit for a few minutes before I move on to other products. That just assures that it dries down without having too many other layers over top of it, because then it makes the drying down time a little more longer if it dries down at all. Sometimes it won't even dry down at all. So in the meantime, I am going to put concealer on. I am just using this Joa Beauty concealer. This is, I think, the Dark Circle concealer. You guys know the backstory with this. Gave me a black eye. Okay, while my cream products sit for a little bit, I am going to go on to my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this Ioni brow pencil. Moving right along, I am going to be using my Rimmel London Jelly Bronzer. I do really like this jelly bronzer. If you know me, you know how much I love that jelly bronzer, and I have been on the hunt for the Rimmel London Jelly Blush. I finally found it. Oh my gosh, I finally found it, you guys. I had to go 3 to 4 counties over to find this. Well, let's hope that it blends out. I am using this Face Off by Hard Candy. So the first lipstick that I'm going to try out is not the lipstick that I'm going to be wearing today. I just really want to try this lipstick out because the color is crazy. It is the CoverGirl Melting Pout Vinyl Vow. That is a mouthful. Look at this color. I haven't even swatched it. This is the first time opening it. Okay, but why is this actually looking really nice with this look? Okay, but why does this look nice? Okay, to be honest with you, I really love this lid. So I think I'm gonna keep it on. I was gonna put something more neutral on, but I actually really love this. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. This lipstick stole the show, in my opinion. I wasn't expecting to actually really love the way it looks. I absolutely adore this color. And again, it is by CoverGirl. Really nice. Oh my gosh, and I usually don't go for colors like this. I usually like wear them for photos or something, but I'm actually wearing this out today. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Looks fabulous. And the eye look came out exactly the way I thought it was going to come out. It was a trust the process for sure, and yeah, I think it turned out great. So if you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.